Drinking warm lemonade first thing in the morning can offer various health benefits. Here are some potential advantages. 1. Hydration. Lemonade, even when warm, provides hydration after a night of sleep. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health and helps kickstart bodily functions. 2. Rich in vitamin C. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, which is known for its immune-boosting properties. Consuming vitamin C in the morning may support your immune system. 3. Aids digestion. The acidity of lemon juice may stimulate the production of stomach acids, promoting better digestion. It can also help alleviate symptoms of indigestion and bloating. 4. Alkalizing effect. Despite being acidic in nature, lemons have an alkalizing effect on the body. This may help balance the body's pH levels over time. 5. Detoxification. Lemonade, especially when made with warm water, may have a mild detoxifying effect by encouraging the flushing out of toxins from the body. 6. Weight management. Some people find that warm lemonade can be a refreshing alternative to sugary beverages. It's low in calories and can be a part of a healthy, balanced diet, potentially supporting weight management efforts. 7. Skin health. The antioxidants in lemons, including vitamin C, may contribute to healthier skin by combating free radicals. Adequate hydration also plays a role in maintaining skin elasticity. 8. Boosts energy and mood. The scent of lemon is invigorating and can have a positive impact on mood and energy levels. Starting the day with a warm lemonade might help create a refreshing and uplifting morning routine. 9. Promotes healthy habits. Incorporating warm lemonade into your morning routine encourages the habit of starting the day with a health-conscious choice, setting a positive tone for the rest of the day. How to make warm lemonade. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a cup. Add warm water, not boiling, to preserve vitamin C, and stir. Optionally, you can add a small amount of honey for sweetness or a pinch of cayenne pepper for an extra kick. It's important to note that individual responses to lemonade may vary. If you have any medical conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Additionally, be mindful of any potential dental concerns due to the acidity of lemon juice, and consider rinsing your mouth with water afterward.